Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the different features of the Builderall platform. To start, you do get a free 14-day trial where you don't need a credit card. There's a link in the description below that will send you to the sign-up page to start your free trial. Over the next 14 days, we will be releasing all the video training that you will need to get your first pages up and generating some revenue. Please click the link in the description and sign up now. Now you're going to see some wonderful editing magic here. See how quick that sign up was? We're all signed up and logged into our back office. When you first start out, you're going to see a list of applications. We'll be focusing on the Pixel Perfect Site Builder. Click on that, and if you don't have it in your back office, you'll be asked to add it to your back office before you can start creating a new website. Click here to create a new website. You will see there are a lot of pre-built pages already ready to go, just waiting for you to fill in the information. One of the biggest tasks you'll face is making sure you have the right pages in place. But to start off the series, we're going to go into sales funnels, and what we want to do is create a homepage funnel. This funnel comes pre-populated with most of the tools and pages that we will need to be successful in creating a sales funnel. You can edit all the elements on this page with your information and you'll have a professional sales funnel up in just minutes. To change this to your logo, we'll just right-click where it says Your Logo and click Change Image. For the purpose of this video, we're going to use the Ketogenic Diet 101. Now, you can scale this as big or as small as you need, depending on the quality of the image you upload. Just click and hold the little bubble on the side and move your mouse to resize your image. As long as you have a high quality image or video, you will be fine. To keep everything organized, we will be centering this element. Right click and select Center Element. So if you made some changes to the size or accidentally moved it, this is how you would get it to stay in the exact center of your desktop or mobile browser. When you make a change to the desktop version, it should also make the change to the mobile version as well. However, when you add an element on desktop versions and place it, it may not be in the proper place in mobile. Click the little phone icon in the top left and check the element on both editors. This video is embedded from YouTube. If you want to change the video, just right-click and select Configure. Change the URL to whatever video you want and the video will update. Now, depending on how your funnel is set up, this button will have multiple different actions that you may want it to perform. Just right-click and select Action. You'll have a list of different possible actions that will happen when the user clicks the button. We will be creating a checkout later that will be a different web address, so we will direct it to that URL after we make the checkout. If you want to change the images, just right-click the images and hit Appearance. Then Colors. There's your background image, 2356582.jpg. We're going to change that by clicking this green button, and we can go to an image collection. They have plenty of stock images you can use at no charge. We'll do this one of a man fixing his tie. Now if you notice, all three images changed because these are all the same element, just copied. So if we were to change the second one to a different image, that image should show up on all three of those boxes. There she is, and she's in all three. In order to fix this, so we don't have three of the same element, we'll just delete one element and insert a new image into that box and adjust the image size however we would like and right-click to change the image. You may have to adjust the size one more time after you update the image. And there you have it. This was a quick overview of how to create a page in the Pixel Perfect Site Builder and how to change and add some elements. In the next video, we will be finding a product that we'll be able to brand and sell. If you like this content, please give us a like and a subscribe to stay up to date with all the Builderall and marketing trainings. We'll see you in the next video.